Welcome to Bronco Bites on a Budget, where we show you how to make fast, affordable, and easy meals. Today we are making pumpkin spice overnight oats, a perfect on-the-go fall breakfast. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, half a cup heaping of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a third cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2/3 cup of your milk of choice, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of pumpkin puree, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, but this is optional. Begin by combining all the dry ingredients. Dry ingredients refer to the ingredients that don't have a liquid consistency. In this recipe, the dry ingredients are the rolled oats, chia seeds, and the pumpkin spice. Mix these ingredients together. The chia seeds in the recipe will add a boost of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Next, we will be mixing the wet ingredients. This includes the milk, Greek yogurt, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, and honey. The Greek yogurt in the recipe will add protein, calcium, and probiotics for a nutritious start to your day. Once everything is mixed in, place the container in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 4 hours. And that's it, you're done. Bon appetit, Broncos!